Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So as you guys know that Navratri is just around the corner, so like last year I wanted to create 9 different looks for you guys. So this is my first look. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then please continue watching. So I'm going to start off by priming some Urban Decay's Quick Fix Priming Spray. I'm just going to wait for a few seconds for it to completely seep into my skin. So guys, now I'm going to take my BECCA's Shimmering Skin Perfector. This one is in the shade Opal. I'm going to mix this one with my Fenty Beauty's Pro FILT'R Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This one is in number 290. This is a proper matte foundation, so I don't want my skin to look extremely matte. I want that glow as well. That's why I am mixing it with my foundation. What are your plans for Navratri, guys? मेरे तो कोई प्लान्स नहीं है, बट अगर आपके कोई प्लान्स है तो मुझे बताना. Oh, by the way, this is my Real Techniques tapered foundation brush. ये सेट में मुझे मिला था. जो हार्मोनल एक्ने होते हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा अनोइंग होता है. Like कभी कभी इतना गुस्सा आता है because I try to take care of my skin so much and then boom, it just appears on my face. My skin is glowing. So guys, this is my Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the shade G Plus Medium 2. I'm going to apply this concealer under my eyes. So इसे हम डॉट करेंगे यहाँ पर, ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ज़्यादा शैडो रहता है. यहाँ पर थोड़े आईलिड्स पे भी लगा देते हैं. It's such a lightweight concealer. I think ये साइड पे मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा कवरेज चाहिए. यहाँ पर I got pretty good coverage. So I'm just going to apply some of this concealer on this side of my under eye. यहाँ पर. So guys, now I'm going to set my concealer with e.l.f.'s Halo Glow Setting Powder. This one is in the shade Medium. Using my Anastasia's A23 brush. This is actually a highlighter brush, but today I'm going to use it to set my under eyes. So I'm thinking I'll use the same powder to set my foundation as well. For my blush, I am applying my MAC's Flare Bar Blusher, and I'm going to apply it with my MAC's 129 brush. Okay guys, so I had to do my base again because when I was applying blush on this side the first time, blend करते हुए यहाँ पे देखा it looked a little patchy. यहाँ पे एक ऐसा वो patchiness था, separate हो चुका था. So I had to fix it, और मैंने fix भी करने की कोशिश की लेकिन नहीं हुआ. Disaster ही हो गया पूरा. So I had to redo my entire base. But now it is looking much better. So now let's apply the highlighter. This is my JOUER's highlighter in the shade Citrine. I'm going to use this same Anastasia's brush to apply this highlighter. Love how buttery smooth it is. Now I'm going to quickly fill in my brows, finish left side of my eye makeup, and I'll see you guys very soon. Okay guys, so I have already primed my eyelid with my Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer portion. And now let's begin with the eye makeup. For my eyeshadows today, I'm using my favorite Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. Absolutely love this palette. The shadows are so pretty. So I'm going to first go in with this shadow. It's called For the Graham, which is which is this one. I am using my Anastasia's eyeshadow brush. ये मुझे अपने Modern Renaissance palette में मिला था. This one goes directly in my crease, and we are going to take it above my crease as well. So I've got the desired intensity that I was looking for, and now I'm going to blend the edges. Okay, this is my Sigma's tapered blending brush E40. We'll be now going in with this shadow. It's called Soft and Sweet. It's a really nice muted pink color. I'm taking my JOUER's soft definer brush. इसका number मुझे नहीं पता कौन सा है because मिट गया है. So I'm just going to blend this shadow into a brown shadow. Not too much. We just want that hint of pink. So this shadow is called Cookie Clutter. I'm going to apply this one on my eyelid. So first I'm going to apply it with my finger. I'm going to take the other side of this brush, our Anastasia brush, and I'm going to apply Cookie Clutter over here, okay? In a corner, because there are nails here, so I can't really get in. For that more intensity, I will be using my MAC Fix Plus. I'm just going to spray it. By the way guys, the rose variant smells amazing. So if you love rose scents, you can try this one. It's really beautiful. With Sugar's I Want You So eyeliner in the shade Black Swan, I'm going to line my upper lash line. I want that little bit of peach color as well, so on my lower lash line I'm going to go in with this one. It's called In a Pinch. Using my MAX 239 brush to apply this shadow. On my waterline, I will be applying ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner. This one is in the shade Good Reef. Applying some Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara on my upper lashes. And for my lower lashes, I am using my MAX Extended Play Giga Black Lash. So before moving on to lip color guys, I'm going to quickly pop on my lashes and I'll be right back. For my lip color today, I am using this combo. This one is ColourPop's Sleepy Pencil in the shade Minute Man, and this one is our ColorBar's Sinful Matte Lip Color in the shade Corset. I love this color. I will be lining and filling in my lips with this lippy pencil first. Last but not least, I'm going to finish off my makeup with spraying a MAC Fix Plus. I forgot to apply my Charlotte Tilbury powder under my eyes, so I'm just going to quickly apply that. This is their Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in the shade Medium. I'll apply it on my chin as well.